Problems no longer exist when you don't judge them. Listen, be thankful for all the events you call problems in your life. Be grateful. Okay? Hey folks, back again with another video. It's your boy Sammy, and I'm excited to be here today. I hope you're excited as well. And today we have a very nice topic, which is problems. I wanted to tell you something briefly. Let me ask you a question. How many of you have problems? How many of you have issues in life? If you have a problem, say yes. Say yes, Sammy, let's go. I have a problem. It could be a financial problem. It could be a relationship problem. It could be a problem with your co-worker at work, your mom, your daddy, your siblings, anything, right? Maybe you're driving your car and the cops pulled you over and they gave you an unexpected ticket. I want to teach you a strategy that was very powerful for myself when I kept facing problems in life, even though I wanted to do better. Like, have you ever tried to do good in the world because you want that reciprocity, or you want good to come back? But every time you try to do good, it seems like problems keep coming. You can't pay the bills on time. All your money is gone as soon as you get your paycheck. People are being negative towards you, even though you're trying to be good to them. And I want to help you. I want to give you this little technique, and I want you to pay attention. Check this out. This is what I want you to do. First of all, I want you to write this down in the comment section. Problems no longer exist when you don't judge them. Did you get that? Problems do not exist when you don't judge them. If you lose your job today, or if somebody treats you wrong today, somebody lies to you or on you today, and let me teach you something. We only call problems because we don't want that event to happen again. That just happened, right? We call that the unknown. Is it? Or something that we believe is going to be a negative outcome. So what I do is I don't judge events in my life. Like, if I lose my job today, I'm not going to judge that. I say, oh my God, I lost my job. I'm not going to be able to pay my bills. I'm not going to be able to buy groceries or do stuff like that. But you need to understand this. Things that happen to you in your life will always happen. Like, there's always things going to happen to you. Okay, some days are going to be good, other days are not going to be that good. But then if you stop judging those events, saying that, oh, this is not a problem, this is good, this is bad. If you stop doing that, life gets easier. Let me tell you why. Because you are alive. And because every event that happens in your life, you have the opportunity, right, to put meaning on that event that just happened. Let me say that one more time. Every event, keyword event, no problem, no issues, not a jacked up situation. Every event that happens in your life, even though the world may look at it as something that's negative, you have the opportunity put your meaning on that. Let me give you an example. If I lose my job today, guess what? That means that's an opportunity for me to get something better. If someone lies on me or treats me wrong, maybe a friend, maybe somebody takes advantage of me, tries to strategically make me feel upset, that's an opportunity for me to cut that friendship off. Okay? Do you see what I'm going here? Maybe today I wake up, I had a flat tire, I don't have money to pay for the flat tire. But then check this out. The situation is already going on, right? But then it's an opportunity that I had this flat tire to prevent something down the road that could have happened to me. Does it make sense? Listen, be thankful for all the events you call problems in your life. Be grateful. Okay? The point is this: each and every day you have the opportunity to put a meaning on whatever situation or event that happens in your life, and you have to be conscious of it, which means you've got to be aware, because we are so triggered from external stimulus. Okay, we are always so triggered by other things that go on in the world. We watch the news and they say, oh, the virus is getting worse. Then you're like, oh my God, are we all going to die? Is this the end of the world? Alright? Listen, there's always an opportunity to see your events or the things that are happening in your life, things that are taking place in your life. There's an opportunity for you to see it in the positive. Okay? There's always, it's all in your view, how you want to frame it. Okay? All the events happening, the situations, things are not going well. You have to put it in the way that you want to see it. Okay, today and tomorrow. Instead of being so quick to judge events that happen in your life, I want you to pause a second and say, no, how can I make this look better? How can I make this be an advantage on my side? Okay? This thing that I'm going through right now, this event I'm going through right now, how can I see the blessing in that? Okay? How can I see the opportunity in that thing? Everything that takes place in my life, whether good or bad, evil, positive or negative, I always look or frame, change the meaning for it to benefit me. That's your power. That is your power. That's the power that you have. Do you understand that? I want you to hit the like button if you got that. Life doesn't just happen. You create life. Things that happen outside of you, you can make a decision to put a meaning on that thing and on how it would affect you. You can tell me a story that's so bad, or Sammy, this happened and this person did this to me and this person hurt me and I'm like this and this happened and all that. It doesn't matter. Trust me. Anything that is going on in your life, I don't care if you're depressed, things are going so bad in your life, it doesn't matter. You today, right now, as you're watching this video, have the power to look at your illness, look at all the things, the situation, whatever negative thing that is going on with you right now, you can change it. You can change the meaning of that thing. And you can create a new life, a new feeling, new emotion, new behavior, and new results. How do I know? I know many people who have done it. I know people who were in deep depression and they made a decision that they are not going to be in that situation anymore. They understood that they could change the meaning of that event that is happening to them, or that happened to them at the moment. I know people who have lost everything, sleeping in their cars, and they decided to use that and reframe the meaning as a blessing for them to build their mindset to be more resilient in the world, and now they are prosperous. Life is all about how you create it. Life is all about how you perceive it. It doesn't matter how bad you think your situation is. You can tell me story after story after story about how piss poor your life is, and I'm not going to tell you the same thing, that you have the power to change the meaning of your situation. It doesn't matter your age, as long as you have a positive intention. Everything that is happening to you that feels like it hurts, struggles, that is painful, you have the opportunity to change the meaning. I want you to comment these words below and put your names there. I want you to say Samuel, so you put your name there, right? From today, I have no more problems because I have the opportunity to change the meaning of the events that happen in my life. And I want to leave you with this quote from Tony Robbins. It goes like this: nothing in life has any meaning except the meaning I give it. Nothing has any meaning except the meaning I give it. Hey, it's your boy Sammy. Once again, like, comment, subscribe, click on the bell so you always get notified when I post. And I'm out. Peace. Love you guys.